Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp marketing without breaking the bank? Let's explore how to use Aisensy for free. First, head over to Aisensy's website and look for their free trial or pricing page. Typically, you'll find this option clearly displayed in the navigation menu. Click on it to see the available plans. Aisensy often provides a free plan with limited features. Take a close look at what's included. Common features in the free plan include a limited number of contacts, messages per month, or basic automation features. Next, sign up for the free plan or start a free trial. This usually involves providing your email address, creating a password, and verifying your phone number. Be sure to read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The free plan will likely have access to features like basic contact management, sending individual messages, and setting up simple automated responses. Experiment with the free features. Try sending broadcast messages to a small group of contacts, set up a simple welcome message for new users, or explore the reporting dashboard to track your results. Understand the limitations of the free plan. This will help you determine if Aisensy can meet your long-term WhatsApp marketing needs, or if you need to upgrade to a paid plan for additional features and scalability. Finally, evaluate whether Aisensy is the right fit. Use the free trial to test different features, assess its ease of use, and determine if it aligns with your business goals. Good luck using Aisensy.